はい、こんにちは、ゆきです。よろしくお願いします。Today, I'm gonna introduce you another meaning of しよう。I think you understand しよう as like let's do something, like to invite someone to do something together. 例えば、一緒にご飯食べよう。一緒にご飯食べようとか、あとは一緒に買い物行こう。一緒に買い物行こうとか、一緒にトイレ行こうとか。なんか女の子とかさ、学校にいる女の子とか、よくね、女の子同士トイレ行ったりしてるでしょ。I don't know about your country, but Japanese schoolgirl always go to toilet with someone. Anyway, しよう basically means let's do something together. けど、there is another meaning as I said. That is なんだろうな。英語がね、あまりないんですよ。I don't know how to say this in English, so let me explain little by little. 例えば、僕が家にいるとき。で、家族がね、まあみんななんかしてるとき。Maybe my dad watch TV, my mom is cooking, my sister is doing something. で、僕がね、例えば、ちょっとじゃあトイレ行こうって言ったとするでしょ。If I say that, it doesn't mean let's go to toilet together, right? If I say that, that's weird. I don't want to go to toilet with my sister, with my dad, with my mother. I don't want to do that, right? I'm just letting everyone know what I'm gonna do now. So I'll just say, ちょっとトイレ行こう。So everyone know what I'm gonna do now, right? This is しよう。This is トイレ行こう mean. Okay? これ英語あるのかな？ If you know how to say this in English, please let me know. I really want to know how to say this in English. 他にも、ちょっと疲れたからお風呂入ろうって言ったら、If I say this, it doesn't mean I'm tired, so let's take shower together.It doesn't mean that. That's ちょっと変でしょ？ It actually means I'm just letting everyone know what I'm gonna do. まあ、意味はあまりないよね。ただ、letting everyone know. それだけです。OK？ これはね、本当に日常でよく使う文法なので、ぜひね、使ってみてください。OK？ じゃあ今日はこんな感じで終わりたいと思います。ありがとうございました。バイバイ。